Born in South Africa in 1971, Elon Musk's journey began with a boundless curiosity and a passion for innovation. As a child, he was often found buried in the pages of science fiction novels and comic books, dreaming of a future where humans would traverse the cosmos. This was more than just a childhood fascination. It was the spark that would ignite a lifelong mission. His early life was marked by an insatiable thirst for knowledge. At just 12 years old, Musk taught himself computer programming and sold his first software, a game called Blaster. This early venture into technology was just a glimpse of what was to come. Elon Musk didn't just dream of space, he was determined to understand it. He devoured books on rocket science and physics, teaching himself the complex principles of space travel. To Musk, space wasn't just the final frontier, it was the next frontier. His passion for technology and space continued into his college years. He attended the University of Pretoria, Queen's University in Canada, and eventually transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. There he earned 2 bachelor's degrees, one in physics and another in economics. His academic prowess was impressive, but it was his entrepreneurial spirit that set him apart. In the late 90s, Musk co-founded Zip2, a city guide software company, which was later sold for almost $300 million. This success was followed by the launch of PayPal, which was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. But while these ventures were profitable, they were stepping stones to Musk's true ambition: space travel. He had an audacious vision to make space travel accessible and affordable, and ultimately to colonize Mars. These early experiences ignited a spark that would lead Musk to revolutionize space travel. From the dusty plains of South Africa to the gleaming corridors of Silicon Valley, Musk's journey is a testament to the power of dreams, the pursuit of knowledge, and the audacity of vision. In 2002, with the founding of Space Exploration Technologies Corp., known as SpaceX, Musk embarked on a daring mission. The seeds of a new era in space exploration were planted. The goal? To reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. A lofty goal, some might say, but Musk was not deterred. SpaceX was a bold and risky venture. The company's early days were marked by significant challenges. Notably, the first 3 launches of the Falcon 1 rocket, SpaceX's maiden spacecraft, ended in failure. But these setbacks did not spell the end for SpaceX. Far from it. They served as stepping stones, lessons in the complex art of rocket science. Musk's philosophy was clear: failure was an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. It was this mindset that kept the SpaceX team pushing forward despite the odds. It was a game of high stakes, but Musk was ready to bet the farm to see his vision through. The 4th launch of the Falcon 1 in September 2008 was a make-or-break moment for SpaceX, and they made it. Falcon 1 successfully reached orbit, becoming the first privately funded, liquid-fueled rocket to do so. This was the turning point for SpaceX, a testament to the power of perseverance and innovative thinking. But Musk's vision extended beyond just launching rockets. He saw a future where rockets were reusable, much like airplanes. This was a radical concept in the world of space travel, where most rockets were single-use. Yet, Musk was convinced that reusability was the key to making space travel more affordable and sustainable. Despite the obstacles, Musk remained determined to make space travel more affordable and sustainable. Today, we see the fruits of his labor. SpaceX's reusable rockets are no longer a radical idea, but a revolutionary reality. And as we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, we can't help but marvel at how far we've come and dream of how much further we can go. SpaceX's achievements have been groundbreaking. A statement that echoes across the cosmos as we delve into the milestones that have defined this pioneering company. Our story begins with the Falcon rockets. A series of launch vehicles, the Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and Falcon Heavy, have not only carried payloads into space, but also marked the dawn of a new era. These rockets set the stage for SpaceX's most ambitious project yet, the Starship. But before we take that giant leap, let's not forget the Dragon spacecraft. This reusable capsule has been instrumental in ferrying supplies, scientific experiments, and even astronauts to the International Space Station. Dragon's success has not only proven SpaceX's capability for human spaceflight, but also paved the way for more ambitious missions in the future. Now let's turn our attention to the star of the show, Starship. This next-generation spacecraft, still in development, is designed to carry up to 100 passengers. With the aim of colonizing Mars, Starship embodies Elon Musk's vision of making life multi-planetary. This stainless steel Leviathan is not just a ship, it's a symbol of humanity's boundless potential. But what makes these achievements truly revolutionary is SpaceX's commitment to reusability. The ability to land and reuse rockets, a feat once thought impossible, has been a game-changer. By reducing the cost of reaching space, SpaceX is breaking down barriers and opening up the cosmos to more than just a select few. In the grand scheme of things, these achievements are not just about rockets or spacecraft. They're about a vision of making space travel more accessible, more affordable, and more sustainable. Each successful launch, each landing, and each mission brings us one step closer to realizing this vision. Each milestone has brought us closer to a future where space travel is accessible to more than just astronauts. And as we look to the future, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and anticipation. With SpaceX leading the charge, the final frontier seems a little less distant, a little less daunting, and a whole lot more exciting. Musk's vision extends beyond Earth's orbit. His sights are set on the red planet, Mars, a world that for now exists outside of our reach, but not outside of our dreams. Musk imagines a future where Mars is not just a destination, but a second home for humanity. A place where we don't just visit, but live, work, and thrive. To that end, SpaceX is developing the Starship. Unlike anything we've seen before, this spacecraft is designed to carry a large crew and ample cargo necessary for long-duration interplanetary voyages. Musk envisions fleets of starships departing from Earth, each carrying hundreds of brave pioneers eager to build a new life on Mars. But this isn't just about exploration. For Musk, it's a matter of survival. He sees the colonization of Mars as an insurance policy against potential disasters on Earth, whether they be of our own making or from cosmic forces beyond our control. By becoming a multi-planetary species, we safeguard our existence, ensuring a future for humanity, no matter what happens on our home planet. Yet, Mars is just the beginning. The Starship, with its reusable design and deep space capabilities, is a stepping stone to the rest of the cosmos. Musk believes that if we can make it to Mars, we can make it anywhere. With the Starship, the vast expanse of space opens up, with possibilities as infinite as the stars themselves. This is an ambitious vision, a dream that pushes the boundaries of what is possible. But if there is one thing we've learned from Musk's journey, it's that he doesn't shy away from challenges. He embraces them, turning the impossible into the inevitable. Musk aims not just to advance space travel, but to ensure the survival and expansion of humanity across the stars. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we can only imagine what lies ahead. But one thing is certain, the future of space exploration is an exciting one, and it's a future that's being written by visionaries like Elon Musk. Elon Musk's impact goes beyond rockets and Mars. His dreams of space exploration aren't confined to the vacuum of the cosmos, but ripple outward, touching down on Earth and seeping into our daily lives. One of the most tangible ways we see this is through SpaceX's Starlink project. This ambitious endeavor aims to provide global internet coverage, even in the most remote corners of our planet. With a constellation of thousands of small satellites orbiting Earth, Starlink is on a mission to bridge the digital divide and bring the world closer together. But Musk's influence isn't just about technology. It's about the human spirit, about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He's not just a businessman or an engineer, he's a dreamer, a visionary. He looks at the stars not as distant, untouchable points of light, but as destinations, as new homes for humanity. His work has sparked a renewed interest in space exploration. Around the world, children and adults alike are looking up at the night sky with fresh eyes, dreaming of what's out there and how we can reach it. Teachers are using SpaceX's missions to inspire their students. Researchers are building upon the technology developed by SpaceX for their own projects. And it's not just about the stars and planets, it's about Earth too. Musk's vision of a multi-planetary species forces us to look at our own planet with greater appreciation and urgency. If we can go to Mars, surely we can find ways to better care for our home planet. His vision and achievements continue to inspire a new generation of dreamers and innovators. The future of space travel and indeed humanity isn't being decided by a select few behind closed doors. It's being shaped by visionaries like Musk who dare to dream big and inspire others to do the same.